everybody, Jessie here at Eden Street Soap Company. Thanks so much for joining me today. So today we are making the pumpkin patch soap bars, and this is really neat because it's made with real pumpkin puree and coconut milk, and I just love how it turned out. It came out so cute. So we start by splitting the water right in half, and what I did is I put 7 ounces of distilled water in cubes in 1 cup, and then the other cup has 5 ounces of frozen pumpkin puree cubes and 3 ounces of frozen coconut cream cubes or coconut milk, whatever you want to use. Once your lye solution is put to the side, then we're going to add 1.5 ounces of distilled water into a separate container and add 2 tablespoons of sugar. The sugar is optional. I like it because it adds more of foam to my soap, but it also causes gel phase. So your soap may heat up, it may crack. I just add sugar to every batch. So today I am doing an extremely easy oil recipe. It's 16 ounces of palm oil, and I use sustainable. It's 16 ounces of coconut oil. I use organic unrefined, but you can use whatever you want. And 16 ounces of olive oil. And then 2 ounces of castor oil. That's it. Super easy. I got it off the Soap Queen website, and I kept it easy because I knew the soap was going to be a little more difficult, and I wanted a nice thin pour. So we used pumpkin pie scented oil. And when you use that, there's a lot of vanilla in it. And that is going to discolor your soap to a brown. And I thought it would be really fun to use that to our advantage here. So I did add brown mica because I wanted to control the brown. And I was afraid if I just left it up to the vanilla in there that it would be all wonky. And it came out really good. And I recommend doing this on your future soaps. So I started with a brown base and smoothed it out. And then I added this orange, and this orange color looked so amazing against the brown. And what I did is every layer of color I add, I swirl it with a dowel rod. And it just comes out so cool. Instead of doing the hanger swirl, the dowel rod really mixes it up nicely. And this is a thin to medium trace, so I still have a little thickness, but I can still work with it too. So I went ahead and I piped leaves on this, and for whatever reason, the editing program lost or corrupted the file. So the leaves are already on for you, and I will do another video with piping in it. I know I've been asked a million times, but I will get it done. I just want to pipe the right stuff. And once I covered everything with leaves, I went ahead and I started making my pumpkins. I pre-made the soap dough, and I'll do a video on that another day. Comment below if that's something you'd like. And I'm going to show you here how to put them together. So once your soap dough is colored and ready to go, you roll it into a ball, and then you press lightly on the top and the bottom of the pumpkin. Take your toothpick and make an X across the top and continue down those lines down the side. Now, I added an extra line in between each, but you can leave it there and be done with it. All right, so this bar came out amazing. I am so happy with it. It looks so cool, and it just got better looking as it sat. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. I put out new videos every week. I am attempting to do 2 times a week, but we'll see if that happens. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much. I appreciate you so greatly. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. I worked really hard on it, and it really helps me out in the algorithm. If you would like to shop the video, I have all kinds of links in the description along with the full recipe. I am an affiliate for a couple different companies, and it does help if you click the link, or if you're planning on buying anything from Amazon, just click that link and then buy whatever you're going to buy. Anyway, thanks so much. Have a great day, and see you next time. Bye.